A for apple. Apple means save a fal.
B for ball. Ball means game.
C for cat. Cat means Billy. C for cat. Cat Millie. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. Fish means makli. G for grapes. Grapes means angur. G for grapes. Grapes means angur. H for hen. Hen means murgi woon. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jungle. Jungle means jungle. K for kite. Kite means patanga. L for lion. Lion means share. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for nest. Nest means ghosla. O for orange. Orange. Orange means santra. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. R for rainbow. Rainbow means Indradhanush. S for sun. Sun means Surya. T for tiger. Tiger means Bagh. U for umbrella. Umbrella. Umbrella means chata. V for violin. Violin means veena. W for watermelon. Watermelon means tarboos. X for xylophone. Xylophone means surila table art. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.